So the first formula we had was from each x number, you take away the mean, you square it, you add it up, you divide by how many you are, and you square root. When is it appropriate to use that one? When is that fairly straightforward to use, or when wouldn't you use it? Yep. Yes, okay. If you've got a few integers, should we say a few sort of whole numbers or nice numbers, that would be the one to use. Okay. What did we do to that one then? Yep. Yeah, put an F in there. Okay, so that's for if you have frequencies. But it is best avoided if at all possible, because it takes a lot of work to use. So avoid it if you can. Then we had one which I didn't tell you where it comes from. I said you can look in the book if you want to. And that was sigma x squared over n minus x bar squared, square rooted. We wouldn't use that one if we had what? We wouldn't use it if we had... When would we not use that one? What's missing from that formula? Yeah, okay, we wouldn't use it if we had frequencies. So if you had a list of numbers which weren't all nice, I'm going to say, a list of numbers where they're not all nice numbers, that's probably the easiest one to use. Then the final one we had that one down there with the F's in, the adapted version of the second one. That is the one to use if there are frequencies involved. Use if you have frequencies. So we've dealt with quite a few scenarios. We've dealt with nice lists. We know what to do with nasty lists. We know what to do with frequency. What other scenario do you think could appear? What sort of data could you be presented with we haven't dealt with yet? We've dealt with frequency, which we could total. That's cumulative frequency, but there's other sorts of data. It happened in the chapter beforehand on the mean. What other sorts of data set could we have that we haven't dealt with yet? Type of data set, not a calculation. Sorry? Group data, yeah. So what we need to look at next is grouped data. Okay? So, if we had group data, what do you think we'd do? What did we do with it when we were trying to work out the mean? Yeah, okay. All I'm just saying is, yeah, you just use the midpoints. You just use the midpoints of the groups. Midpoint of each group. Just like we did when we were doing the mean. And what does that mean about our answer? It's an estimate, yes. So that means you are estimating because you don't know what the original data is. So you are estimating the standard deviation as we don't know the original data. Okay? Right, now, we are going to do one of those, but this time I've got the table pre-drawn for you. Save a lot of writing. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll pause the video.